Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I hope you're staying well, safe, and taking good care of yourself. This is a much requested video. In this video, I'm going to talk about calcification of the arteries and how to reverse the process. Calcification of arteries is calcium buildup within the walls of arteries that supply oxygen-rich blood to the heart. This calcium causes the walls to become more hardened, which leads to all types of cardiovascular issues. It is commonly accepted that this is a normal aging process. That is absolutely not true. It is more of a diet and lifestyle issue than anything else. In this video, I will share with you how you can prevent this problem, and if you already have it, how to reverse it. So definitely want to stick with me until the very end. First, let's talk about how to find out if you have this issue. CAC scan, which is also called heart scan or coronary calcium scan, is possibly the best test you can do to find out whether you have this condition. It is much better than a cholesterol test because it provides pictures of your heart that can help your doctor detect and measure calcium-containing plaque in the arteries. Now let's talk about what you can do to prevent it. If you're in your 30s, 40s, or 50s, start incorporating the suggestions I'm going to mention now, which can play a big role in naturally reversing this condition and preventing it in the first place. And the other thing you can do is do not sit around. Be active. Move your body. Sweat. The more active you are, the less likely you are to develop problems which are usually associated with aging. Now let's go to our main topic and talk about what to do if you already have calcium buildup in your arteries. Whatever I'm going to mention now is not meant to replace your doctor's advice. You should consult your doctor before taking any advice. The first and most important phytonutrient that can help remove plaque from arteries is allicin, which is mainly found in garlic. I have done a video on this topic where I've talked about how you can use it for this specific purpose. I have linked it here, so make sure you check it out after the video. There's a ton of research available on this topic, and it has some very promising results. This next one is more commonly known nutrient for its benefits on arteries, and that is omega-3. Omega-3 is an inflammation buster. That's its main role in the body, and that's what makes it so good for health overall, and especially for heart health. Omega-3 is found in unprocessed plant oils like flaxseed oil, nuts, and seeds like walnuts and chia seeds. But where you really get a nice amount of omega-3 is from fatty fish, especially cold water fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines. So fish oil, cod liver oil, and even krill oil are all great sources of omega-3. You want to stay away from soybean, canola, corn, and other refined oils that are more commonly used nowadays for cooking because they're rich in omega-6. And omega-6 works almost the opposite of omega-3 since it increases the stiffness and the clotting factor. So avoid cooking in oils that are rich in omega-6 and that are refined. And try to switch to unrefined oils that are rich in omega-3, like sesame, coconut, and olive oils. Another really important component in fighting calcium buildup in arteries is butyrate. Our gut needs butyrate for health, and it's made by gut microbiome. To make butyrate, your gut bacteria transforms dietary fibers that are found in whole plant foods. It has many, many health benefits and is also associated with reduced risk of artery disease. So you need to have a healthy amount of dietary fiber from plants in your diet, and that is your salad. Lycopene is another nutrient which is very good for arterial health. It is a plant nutrient with antioxidant properties. It's the pigment that gives red and pink color to fruits and vegetables. So foods like tomatoes, watermelons, and pink grapefruit are rich in lycopene. Lycopene reduces the thickness of the wall and maintains their elasticity. Lycopene is fat-soluble compound, so you need healthy fats in your diet in order to properly make use of this nutrient. So don't shy away from using healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. Basically healthy, unrefined oils that are rich in omega-3 as well. The next nutrient is vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is associated with inhibition of arterial calcification, and it is also very beneficial for bone health and osteoporosis. It is important to remember that K2 works best when combined with vitamin D. So make sure that you have vitamin D rich foods in your diet as well as adequate exposure to sun. I would recommend taking K2 through food sources first. It is found in fermented foods, egg yolks, meats, organ meats like liver, and unprocessed cheeses and cheese curd. If you choose to supplement, then consider taking 300 mcg of K2. The next nutrient is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It has shown to prevent early stages of plaque formation and decrease inflammation in the arteries. The best form of vitamin E to use is tocotrienol. It has many health benefits, including reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease and lowering cholesterol levels. You can obtain this from natural food sources like rice bran oil, grapefruit seed oil, olive oil, flax seed oil, hazelnuts, buckthorn berry, and maize. Last but not least, control your insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is when cells in your muscles, fat, and liver don't respond well to insulin and cannot use glucose from your blood for energy. To make up for it, your pancreas keeps making more and more insulin. Over time, this wreaks havoc on your body and creates all sorts of problems, including hardening of the arteries. So look into intermittent fasting. It has amazing health benefits for insulin resistance and for many other health conditions, and it has shown very, very promising results. If you go back and take notes, you will find some common foods that contain most of these compounds that I have mentioned. Start with those. If you must, supplement. If you eat a well-balanced diet, have a good amount of healthy fats in your diet, drink enough water, incorporate the nutrients I have mentioned, and lead an active lifestyle, you will see amazing results in a very, very short time. This is it for this video, you guys. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with me if you have any questions or concerns. Please do not forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.